hello and welcome to Raymies Garage. Here today we've got a Range Rover Evoque which we're looking to repair very small leaks in the tyre. We've done this one. We're going to try the other one and let you see how we break the bead and clean up the rim and the joining surface. So just checking visually, a dead wasp. If there's anything in the tyre, but we do think it's the rim.
It's definitely nothing in it. It's kind of hoping there was something in it.
So sometimes you get a wee leak around here, and we're going to spray it with soapy water. The liberal, see if you can see anything coming on it. So this tyre has been going down fairly frequently, slowly. We're just looking for micro bubbles appearing here around the rim. It tends to be the other side rather than this side. I don't see many.
No. No, I think this side's fine.
Yeah, let's turn it over. Do the same again. It's an old weight dinging into the tyre. Should be enough, I think. Don't really see any. Nothing really visual so far. So we put it up to 36 psi just to give some more pressure, and here you can see the micro bubbles forming at this old weight. So we'll maybe take that off and clean it, because the weights are getting inside that rim.
Aye.
Right, okay, at least we've found something. You can see it bubbling away. Okay, have another wee look at that. That's why I've got to leave it for a wee while. You can see some micro bubbles here. Here at the weights, actually there. And some round here. So we get a good view of that. And there. Some round here. This side looks not too bad, but assuming it's not got enough liquid in it. So what we're going to do is, we're going to break the bead and we're going to clean the inside of the rim, because the tyre's actually okay. Still quite a lot of tread in that tyre. Save yourself some money. Okay, so we're going to deflate it. Paul's going to take the valve out it. Other one. It's tight. Tight?
Aye. There we go.
Right, that's great. So what we've got is this bead breaker that we got. It actually works quite well, and we'll show you how to use that. So, how does the bead breaker work? If you want to get the gun, Paul, get this set up. So this bit here, I'll slacken that. this bit to slide in there, like so. That, and we're going to pull that, put that under there. So we've got this rubber to protect that. Let's give that a wee jar down, Paul. Touch me a tiny bit more. I'll do it. And this, as Paul's going to show you, is going to push the tyre down. Right? Yep, go. Gun's struggling. Aye, it's just, we've done this the last time, eh?
Aye, the gun's stopping.
It's probably needing a new battery.
You might struggle because that one's tight now.
Need that a wee tighten.
Enough, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, try that.
It's the gun's cutting out on it. So.
Right.
Slipping a wee bit.
Yeah, a wee bit. Do it. Give that a wee tighten, Paul. I'll do it. That's not bad. Get another wee drag here to pull it in again. Right. That's good in there, keep going. So, just give that a wee hit with the hammer. Maybe a wee bit more on the device. Wanting more.
Try that.
Just watch you don't hit the rim. Are you?
That's that, I think.
Get a wee tap there, Paul. There you go. So there you go, that's how to break the bead. You can see that wee bit slid right in there.
Take this off.
And that's to protect it. Aye, so take that off. Is that battery flat as well?
Fucking dog's roasting.
So, that's the bead off. What we're going to do now is just sand that, a bit of sandpaper, right round the whole bit of it. So, I've got 100 grit sandpaper, and we're just going to work our way around on that inside edge, like that. You'll see the debris falling away. Fill out to seal, we're more focused on that bit there. these old weights are possibly catching on that. So we're going to take them off. Wee screwdriver.
That easy?
They're just held on in there. So we've all got the wheels balanced again. But for now, let's give that a wee rub down there top. Aye. Yeah, so right round the edge there, and now we'll blow off the debris. So a wee bit of, start to this side, a wee bit of brake clean there. Just keep your eye on that case there, not missed.
It's always a bit better.
Last bit.
Oh, sorry.
Right, there you go. So the idea of doing that is to stop getting debris trapped between the tyre and the wheel. Let's see how long that lasts. Right, valve back in. We'll put a wee bit of soapy water on it. So this is just soapy water. Just round here.
Brush, you fucking Victorian age.
The old brush. And that's to allow the tyre to slip up as we're pumping it up. Paul's going to turn that over. You should hear this bang as it pops the bead back on. Don't get a fright now. There you go, it's one side and the other side.
Excellent.
9. So we'll just take it back up to 36. Right, so I've got it pumped back up again. Let's get it turned round and we'll test it. And we know that's the bit where the weight was. Let's see how.
We'll make a wee side by side comparison on the video.
Again, this is just soapy water. Right, so we'll let that go for a minute or two to see. There's a wee tiny bit there, see it? We're seeing things.
It's just the water gathering there.
That's what it
Give
is.
it a wee minute.
Right. So give it a minute and just. So that's the part there where the weights were. No micro bubbles at all. In fact, I don't see any. There is a couple on this.
There's some here, remember?
Yeah, that was the marks, the yellow marks. So nothing on there. And nothing on there. I don't think there was any other yellow marks in this, was there?
Not this one.
So looks pretty good. So that saves you
Tyre.
going to the garage and they'll put a new tyre on you. And the only problem is that you do need a bead breaker. This device here, which is not that expensive. Okay, so we'll get the tyre back on and we'll monitor progress. Yeah, so that's us, and again this is the tool you need. We do have a big bit of rubber to protect the wheel when we're trying to break the bead. Obviously we need an air line as well, and we're about done. And then just put the wheel back on again. We'll get that torque to factory spec if the wheel nuts are not swollen.
Put it up there with my left hand.
And that's us. We'll just have to watch them now, see how they go. Get the jack out, and that'll be us. The apprentice Paul's learning here, and that's it. So there you go. That's us. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now.